Hey everyone, it's Becca here, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a vision board. After I posted my last video about all of my dreams coming true in 2018 because of my vision board, I got a lot of text messages and DMs of people asking me, how'd you make it though? So I'm going to show you. I used Canva, and no, this video is not sponsored, although I wish it was. I'm going to take you step by step on how I made my vision board. I have this one little hair sticking out, but that's how curly hair is. Alright, let's get into the video. First step, you need to have goals, okay? But I'm pretty sure you do because you're already on this video, you're smart. And so you just get a notebook and you write down your goals, and the idea is these have to be measurable. So for example, on here, it says like fitness, run a mile under 7 minutes. These aren't actually my goals, they're just other goals. I'm not gonna share my personal vision board because I'm gonna wait for everything to come true, and then I'll show you guys at the end of the year. Personal finance, start budgeting every month. Fun, binge watch all of Rebecca Eloise's videos. Health, drink water every day. All right, so these are our goals on our notepad with that little pretty gel pen. And now we can get into actually making our vision board. All right, so I got my laptop and I'm gonna go into Canva. You do have to make an account. But then once you make it, it's here. You can see some of my stuff down here. That's just, those are for YouTube. Like presets in here, and they're free. By the way, Canva is free. But I'm gonna try to choose one that I like. I'm gonna do this one. And you don't have to work off of a preset, but you can. So ideally, like what you do is choose an element. And there's a bunch of free photos, there's charts, frames, a bunch of stuff. You know what, I'm actually gonna start with a blank page just so we can get started from scratch. All right. So you have your list. The first thing on my list is fitness. So what I'm gonna do is get some text. Here's a heading, fitness. It helps to stay organized. Like that. So I'm gonna move that one there. Our next header is relationships. And then the next one, personal finance. Okay, so let's just say those are our only goal categories. So for fitness, it was run a minute under 7 miles. So we can search, elements. We can search like mile, see if anything comes up. Nothing that I really like, running. Oh, yes, okay. I like this one. And then you just resize it. It's super simple. And for example, see, look, I just covered fitness, but I don't want that covered. So I'm going to go to position and do backwards. So that photo goes back. Comprende? And then fitness, gotta make it bigger. Oopsie. So I can go up here, make it bigger. I can change the font over here. That's kind of dope. Fitness looks kind of like army. Okay, and let's see if they have, sometimes they have numbers and letters. 7. Oh, that looks lovely. So relationships. And then you can just basically just be creative and do whatever you want with this. It's your vision board. You don't have to show anybody if you don't want to. Ta-da! You don't have to show anyone this vision board. This can just be for you. Or you can just choose to show everyone on YouTube like I did. Like I said, my 2019 vision board is going to be a secret until the end of the year, unless I change my mind. Ooh, coiny. That's good for personal finance. Yes. Okay. Let's make it bigger. Yeah. And let's do money. Yep. Dollar bills, dollar bills. Okay, personal finance. Oh, we have to do something for relationships. So if you want to send your friend a birthday card each month, or each friend celebrate their birthday. That's super cute. I love those balloons. And look, it's in the front, so we're gonna go to position and back it up, see? And this is kind of bright, so you can even change the transparency, make it opaque. But I actually kind of like it when it's brilliant. Bright. Okay, these all cost money. Well, this one's free. You can pay for this if you want, but I mean, there's so much you can do. You can also take images from online and add them. So for personal finance, say I want to read a finance book. I can go to finance books. Oh, and there's my personal favorite, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Images. You can just find whatever books you want to read or whatever images you want, and then you just download the image. Okay, so you just go here to downloads or wherever you saved it and drag it in, and it'll save it. You can see those are all my other, this is where I make my thumbnails. I love Canva. Okay, and then you just click the photo and add it in. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm just gonna work on this and hopefully make it look pretty. So I'm gonna work on this and make it look pretty, and you guys can see the finished product. It's super easy. So this is my completed like sample vision board. Just put it right here. My completed sample vision board. It's super simple. Definitely try it out. I'm gonna link Canva in the description box down below. Also gonna link my 2018 vision board down below so you guys can check that video out. If you found this video of any value, share it with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, if you're professional like that. If you're watching this video during the week that it's published, I'm just gonna say aloha to everybody because I'll be in Hawaii. Yes, so aloha. Mwah. See ya.